Hi there, it's Gabrielle Nicolay calling, coming to you live from SpeechKids. This is going to be a quick video because I'm actually sneaking out of a conference at the moment. But I wanted to tell you a story about this experience I had earlier this week with a friend of mine whose 2-year-old was sick, and talk about how illness might intersect with speech and language development. And so it's a nothing story. 2-year-old was sick, mom was home from work, and the baby was needy. He wasn't feeling well. His nose was all runny and he was feverish and he was just sad. And so what my friend did was just hold him and say, "You're not feeling well. Your body is warm, your nose is runny, and you do not feel good." And in acknowledging the feeling of being sick, this mom was teaching her toddler about emotions, about linking how you feel with what the words are, right? So your nose is running, right? The sense of like just gook coming down. And if you have a toddler, you know about the gook. That sense of you're warm, your body is warm, and you're sick. So just linking all of just the little bit of talking and linking the feelings with the words is an exercise in speech and language development. You're teaching your child. The other piece of this that was really, really sweet was this mom, my friend, was able to just let go of the entire day that she had planned and be with her sick child. And that was the really beautiful part of it. And that's a teaching moment as well, maybe not so much related to speech and language per se, but teaching your child that you are available to them and giving them that support when they are sick. And of course we all do it. But my friend was able to do it with a level of, with such a decreased level of resistance. She just gave herself right over to it. And went through that day as if the only thing she needed to do that day was sit with her child, which in fact it was. And so, that was also teaching him a lesson of just connectedness and support that will stay with him. So, couple of little short thoughts today. And I'm going to scoot back into my conference, but I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.